Hi everybody, how are you doing today? I am so excited about this video. I've got the newest Trendmood box. So if you don't know what Trendmood is actually an Instagram account, and their whole thing is that they post all the new releases. So it's one of those accounts to follow if you're interested in what's new. And I think it's this year that they started up doing their own curated boxes, and of course they're all beauty boxes, and their thing is that they want to include at least one or two new things in each box, to kind of go along with their brand of the new things. Also, each box is different. The cost of the box is completely dependent on what's in the box, and sometimes they do brand takeovers. One time they did a Tatcha takeover. I was like, ooh, a whole box full of Tatcha, and I was like, there's no way I'll be able to afford that box. And yeah, I was right. It was a bit more than I wanted to pay. But this particular box is also a takeover box full of E.L.F. products. This is more up my alley, more up my price range. This box was $25, and I think it's not the most affordable box I've ever seen from them. One of the things I like about the Trendmood boxes is that they always have spoilers, full spoilers, so you know exactly what you're buying. So I'm really excited to get into this, so let's open it up. It's packaged super cute. They've got a little scan me thing here and a little Trendmood sticker on this orange paper. Let's rip it open. Oh, it's packaged super nicely in bubble wrap. First thing on the top is a little card about E.L.F. and it gives you a coupon for 20% off their skincare orders of over $30. And of course, this box features their new Holy Hydration skincare line, which I've never tried anything from E.L.F. skincare before. I've always been kind of interested, but I didn't really want to, spend the money, I guess, to try all the things, just because I tend to have more sensitive skin, and I thought this would be a really effective way to try everything, especially for this first item that I see here. Let's start pulling things out. So this is one of the new items. This is the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I'm really into cleansing balms. I really like to double cleanse. This one has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. So my skin does seem to like ceramides and hyaluronic acid, so that caught my attention. It says on the back that its solid balm form melts into a luxurious oil and turns into a nourishing milk texture that rinses off clean. All right, so, oh nice. I love when cleansing balms come with one of these little scoops, so you don't have to stick your finger in the cleansing balm. Come on. Oh, it's got one of those false tops on it. What's the problem? Okay, there it is. All right, so here's the packaging. I think it looks really nice with kind of this frosted, it's a plastic packaging and this light blue top. Let's see if it has a smell. If there is one, it's very slight. I don't smell anything, which I actually appreciate if something doesn't have fragrance in it. If I could get the little spatula out, that would be great. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna take just a little scoop. I actually do have some swatches on the back of my hand. They're mostly worn off, but I guess that's where I will put it. Oh yeah, I like this. It instantly melts. I had other ones before that stay just really, really balmy almost, more like Vaseline. This turns into a nice oil. Very nice, and the swatch is gone. Excellent. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I went quick and rinsed it off, and I was very pleased. The second water touched it, it immediately emulsified and got super milky, which I love. I don't know, for some reason that's really satisfying to me. I have high hopes for this. Usually cleansing balms and cleansing oils, even though I love them, do sting my eyes. I'm hopeful that just with the lack of fragrance and I don't know, extra essential oil type ingredients, that this won't sting my eyes. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I'm gonna work through the little deluxe sample that I'm working on, and then I will definitely move on to this stuff. It looks like retail, this will be a $10 balm. The other thing that's new to the line, the E.L.F. Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser, once again with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. One of the reasons I was so interested in this box is I'm almost out of all of these things. A cleansing balm, cleanser, toner. Yeah, I don't really smell anything. That makes me so happy. Let's see what it looks like. If it's like a gel. Yep, it's like a clear gel. Rinse that off. And it looks like that cleanser will be $6. Okay, so that's it for the new items, and the rest of the items included in the box have already been released. So I spot the Holy Hydration Face Cream. It has squalane, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and a peptide complex. And it says it quickly seeps into the skin. All right, this is what the packaging looks like. I just want to put a little bit on my hand. Oh, nice. See if I can get that. It's just a nice white cream. I hope it's not too heavy. It doesn't feel super heavy. It seems more like an in-between moisturizer to me. Like it's not super, super hefty, but it's also not a water cream. So I'm willing to give it a try for sure. The box also includes this E.L.F. Keep Your Balance toner with hyaluronic acid, aloe, and witch hazel. I'm big into a witch hazel toner. I love it. Rubbing some in on this side. Yeah, it quickly absorbs, which is important. That one, I can detect a little bit more of a fragrance. Yeah, there's fragrance in the last ingredient, but it's very, very slight. The rest of these have fragrance. Yep, the face cream does. And the cleansing balm also has fragrance. I don't know, it must just be really light. I couldn't smell it. Also in the box, these booster drops. So apparently you can add them to moisturizer or foundation or use them alone just for an extra shot of hydration. I'll probably use it alone as like a serum type product. Interesting, I don't spot fragrance in this one. All right, so there is the bottle. It's nice and clear. Let's get a little bit to try out. So it comes with a nice little dropper style application, and it's blowing a bubble. Okay, come on now. I think I've just got enough to make a bubble and that's it. I'll actually get some. There we go. It's definitely a serum consistency. It's not thick and just melts into the skin really nice. The Balance toner is $8 and the hydrating booster drops are $10. So if I was to buy all of this separately, it would have been over $40 looks like. And this box was $25, so that's a really nice savings just to try all these things because I was interested in it. I honestly have been looking at spoilers for the Trendmood box for months, but there was always, I don't know, certain things that I didn't want or the price was too high, like in the Tatcha, box, but what do you expect? It's Tatcha. But I thought this was a perfect opportunity to try it, and I had to say I had a really good experience. It shipped right away, and the shipping was quick. Like it got to me in just a couple days, which right now with the way shipping is, I was very appreciative. Like I didn't really know when it would show up. In the future, if I like spoilers, I might get another one of these, but we'll see. We'll see what Trendmood decides to do. Have you guys gotten a Trendmood box before? Let me know down in the comments what your experience has been and if you've got good products. But that's all for me today, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!